in the movie they have Tom Cruise fly it over Mach 10. So maybe can you say what are the different speeds, accelerations feel like Mach 1, 2, 3, or hypersonic? Have you ever flown hypersonic?
No.
How tough does it get?
I'm just gonna call out the BS of ejecting at Mach 10, just for the record, because in the movie, there's been, I think, at least one ejection that was supersonic, and I'll just say, it was not pretty, but he survived. So there have to be some interesting mechanisms to eject successfully at Mach 10, but I'll digress on that for the moment.
Yeah, that seemed very strange.
And he just walked away from it. But anyway, so
he seemed disheveled. Okay, it's Tom Cruise. It's like Chuck Norris or something.
Indestructible, yeah.
Indestructible.
Also doesn't age.